Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send disappearing photos on Telegram. So if you want to send some sensitive information, or if you want to send some information and you want to disappear after some time and you want to send it to Telegram, then this video is absolutely for you. So you guys just don't worry about it, and you guys have to simply open up the Telegram application on your mobile phone. So after opening up Telegram application on your mobile phone, here you guys have to simply open up the chat or in which you want to send the sensitive information. So I have opened this chat. Now you guys have to just simply click on this pin button, which is right next to voice button. So after tapping on that pin button, now you guys have to simply tap on the post which you want to send as a disappearing information. So you guys have to just simply open it. Assume that I want to make it a disappearing photo. So in order to make it disappearing photo, you guys have to just simply tap on this one button which is above to send button. So after just tapping on this one button, it will provide you some information. You guys have to just simply select the duration of the disappearing photo. So assume that I'm selecting this 10 seconds. After clicking on this, now you guys have to just simply add a caption button to add a caption, and here you guys can also use another cool features like editing, brushing and cropping. After that, you guys have to just simply click on this send button to send. So after tapping on it, you guys can see it is displaying 10 seconds. So what it means that whenever a receiver receives the message, this photo will appear just for 10 seconds, and after that it will become disappear. And in this way you guys can send disappearing message to anyone on Telegram, or disappearing photos to anyone on Telegram. I hope these methods find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.